Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Blaji. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can enhance the quality of your audio and remove the background noises from the audio file. So let's say if you want to make a video and it's voiceover is very noisy, so you need to separate the audio file from any editing software, and after that you need to upload that audio file on this website. You can reach this website from the link in description, and if you want you can sign up here, and if you don't, that's just okay. Then you need to drag and drop the audio file over here on this Adobe postcard website, and after that it will take some minutes to enhance the quality of audio and remove the background noises. But here are some limitations before you get started. The max size is 500 MB, and you can upload 1 hour duration per upload, and total duration is 3 hours of video or file or audio files per day. And after that it will give you an enhanced version, and it will remove the background noises. So here is the sample. Let's listen to unenhanced voice first.
Not the best place to record audio, yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
Now let's listen to the enhanced speech.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio.
So as you listen to yourself, that there is a huge difference between the unenhanced and enhanced quality of audios. So make sure to use this website. It's free, and you can enhance the audio of your files. So that's all guys. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friend. It will be very helpful for all the content creators. That's all. Goodbye.